So good day everyone. Today we are going to solve problem involving parabola. So the path of the water from the spout of a fountain on the ground travels a parabolic path and then lands on the ground. The horizontal distance traveled by the water is 8 feet and the maximum height reached by the water is 8 feet. Write a function that gives the height y of the water given its horizontal distance x from the spout of the fountain, assuming that the spout is at the origin. So to solve that, we are going to use this formula. That is x minus h squared is equal to negative 4a times the quantity y minus k. Now, the value of our h is 4 and the value of our k is 8. So, siguro nagtataka kayo, bakit ang value ng ating h ay 4 and not 8? So, as you can see, nanggaling ang ating h dito sa horizontal distance. That is 8 feet. But we all know that the axis of symmetry divides the parabola into two congruent parts. So, yung 8, kapag kinalahati natin, that is 4. Okay? So, by substitution, that is quantity x minus 4 squared is equal to negative 4a times the quantity y minus 8. So, kailangan natin mahanap ang value ng ating negative 4a. So, to do that, i-equate natin siya. So, that is negative 4a is equal to 8. Then, i-divide natin siya by 4. Nanggaling tong 8 dito sa maximum height. So, that is 8 feet. Then, makakancel na yung negative 4 sa taas at sa baba. Ang matitira na lang yung a. So, 8 divided by negative 4, that is negative 2. So, the value of our a is negative 2. Since nakancel na yung 4a dito, ang value ng ating a ay ipapalit natin dito sa buong negative 4a. So, by substitution, our final answer is quantity x minus 4 squared is equal to negative 2 times the quantity y minus 8. Ngayon, kailangan natin makita ang magiging itsura ng ating graph to prove na yung fountain ay magsisimula sa origin. So, we are going to use Desmos. So, using Desmos, makikita natin ang graph ng ating equation. So, that is x minus 4 squared is equal to negative 2 times the quantity of y minus 8. Sara natin. Okay. So, ito ang ating magiging itsura ng ating graph. As you can see, yung spout, nag-start siya sa origin. So, tama. Diba? Kanina sa ating tanong, ang sabi, we are going to assume that the spout is at the origin. So, nag-start yung spout sa origin. So, ibig sabihin kung ito yung tubig, ito yung spout, nag-travel siya pataas, then bumaba. So, the horizontal distance kanina ay 8 feet. So, magmula dito, papunta dito. So, tama again. That is 8 feet. Then, kanina, sinabi ko na the axis of symmetry divides the parabola into two congruent halves. So, that is x is equal to 4. So, gawin natin siyang broken line kasi axis of symmetry siya. So, as you can see, dito sa ating graph, nahati yung parabola natin. No? That is why, kanina, hindi 8 ang value ng ating h. Kasi nga, nahati palagi yung parabola into two congruent halves because of the axis of symmetry. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much for watching.